Hey, what's up everybody? This is Brian and welcome to your first Kotlin Android app video tutorial series. If you are interested in Android development using Kotlin, this is the place to start. While it might seem that Kotlin is a relative newcomer, you may be surprised to learn that it was first unveiled in 2011. However, the Kotlin 1.0 release did not happen until 2016, and with the addition of Android Studio support for Kotlin in 2017, interest in the language has just grown exponentially. This video tutorial series will teach you everything you need to know to develop Android apps, even if you have no prior programming experience at all. This course is going to teach you a whole bunch of things. It's going to teach you how to download and install Android Studio 3.0, how to register yourself as a Google developer, how to create a simple and fun game using Android Studio and Kotlin, and finally, how to submit the app to the Google Play Store. You'll be learning how to do these in 5 different sections. The first section will be more about setting all things up that you need to develop your app. You will not actually be doing any app development in that section. That comes in the later sections. In this section, you will install Android Studio, register as a Google developer, and then create your very first project. Finally, you'll see how you can run it on the Android emulator. We'll be making a game called Time Fighter in this series. It's a game about beating the clock. The game is actually quite simple. You have a single button on the center of the screen that you tap to start the game. When the game starts, the timer starts as well. The timer counts down for a specified period, say a minute. During that time, you have to tap the button as many times as possible. Each tap increases your score, and you have to see how many taps you can get before the timer runs out. To make this game, we'll put together a programming to-do list. Now, even if you're developing your own app, it's important to have a plan of attack. You need to know the steps you'll take to complete the game. Once we have our plan of attack, we'll start in earnest. As you can see, there is a lot to do, so let's get started.